Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I'm going to be showing you 4 amazing fresh fruity summer coolers that are going to be super hit with your family. So let's check them out. There was guys summer coolers done in 4 different ways using very seasonal fruits and made fresh at home in your kitchen. And if you have any doubts or any your recommendations that you want to share with me, you can absolutely connect with me. You can leave your comments or you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook. My handle is Chef Varun Arora and I'll be looking forward to all your comments. Cheers.